their brothers through wisdom and understanding. There's a high and a low road, but pick your choice. That's what they say. When the Chinese, they all get tired of eating rice, they're gonna move up on the other side. They're gonna talk up and open up their eyes. Where are all the people who wants peace, peace and freedom? I said, where are all the people? They want peace, love and freedom. Oh, I'm gonna help them one of them days. I'm gonna help them. There's a high and a low road, but you gotta believe me. Pick your choice. When the Chinese, they're all get tired of eating rice. Oh, they're gonna move up. That's what I